What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be working on a 350Z. If you guys remember, I'm having some clearance issues on the front bumper as well as the rear driver fender right here. I need to trim this just a little bit because it's sitting on top of the tire here, and when it's pushing this up, it actually bowed this part out, and as you guys can see, it cracked right through the fiberglass and the Bondo. So I have to repair this. But before I do that, I want to make sure that this clears perfectly. And while we do that, we're going to start that segment of rants and wrenches. Today, we're going to be talking about building your car. What I mean by building your car is, I mean actually putting in the work that it takes to make your car your car. You know what I mean? Alright, so if you guys can already tell by my channel, I like to do a lot of things myself. I do pretty much everything, actually everything done on this car, as well as my 240SX, have been done by myself. For me, this is like my hobby, this is my passion, this is something that I really love to do. This is something that, you know, gets me away. This is my escape, working on my car. It's something that I really enjoy. And anytime that I can get into the garage and put in work on my car is something that I'll take full advantage of. But I feel like a lot of people nowadays, they're not doing it for the passion, they're not doing it for the love of actually building a car. They're doing it for the gram, they're doing it for the likes, they're doing it for the popularity. And I feel like that's the wrong reason behind it, you know? Because the whole point of having a project car, for me, is the project part of it. It's the actual building process of the car. Now, this car doesn't have any engine mods besides the intake, but I'm happy with the power that it has for what I'm doing, you know? It's just a fun little car that I can take to the track and do what I need to do. But style-wise, it's coming to where I want it to be. It's taking shape, and that's what I really like about it, is because I can look at this car and say, you know, I did that, I built that. But a lot of times in the community, there's people taking credit or showing off their flashy cars that they haven't put in any work in. They haven't picked up one wrench to turn anything, to fix anything. They always take it straight to a shop and they dish out all this money. Whereas, you know, like I said, like I can look at my car, take it to a meet, take it to a car show, and be proud of the work that I put into the car. So that is just my 2 cents on building your car and the problem that lies in the car scene today. Let me know what you guys think, all right? So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on these fenders. Like I said, I'm gonna cut this a little bit just so that it clears. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the front wheels and see where it's hitting, and then maybe trim a little bit off of there. I by no means meant no disrespect to anybody out there. This is just me speaking my opinion. And for the same reason we all get into cars is the same reason why I'm still into cars. So Christine's gonna air it out, and I'm gonna just double check for clearance. I only wanna cut small sections at a time because I don't wanna cut too much and it just look really ugly. So it's not aired out all the way, but it's already touching. So I'm just gonna, it's about here that's touching to about here. So I need to cut this whole section down just another few millimeters. All the way. All right, this side is good. So this is it aired out. As you guys can see, it's perfectly cut. There's maybe like a millimeter, half a millimeter of clearance from the tire to the actual fender. Right? It's hitting on this thing as well, so I'm gonna cut this down. Now Christine's gonna go ahead and start it up, and then I'm gonna show you guys the clearance on the front. Perfect.
Alright guys, let's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. By no means do we mean any disrespect onto anybody. We understand that everyone is in different circumstances, that you know, you might live in an apartment and you don't have a garage to work in, or you don't have the right tools, and tools are super expensive. So we really do understand, and we're not trying to bash on anybody. We just want to more encourage you guys that if you guys want to try, that you guys can do it. And that's kind of what this channel is all about, is showing you guys that we're doing it at home in the garage, and you guys can too. Just like this Z, everything that's been done to this car has been done in this garage, and even though it's not perfect by any means, it's something that Blaine is super proud of. A lot of the things that we do here is our first time doing it, so we don't know either, so we're learning just as much as you guys are. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, staying to the end. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. We want to know what you guys think too, and we love reading your guys' comments. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, stay good.